Botengage Pro, personal, affiliate information. Now you too can add this revolutionary workforce of sales assistants to your sites and see a 427% increase in your opt-ins and a 417% increase in your profits. Create unlimited artificial intelligence bots for you and $paying clients with your included commercial license when you act now. Multiplies your conversions. Artificial intelligence bots stop your visitors from aimlessly scrolling and direct their attention directly to your sale, sign up or service, helping you to close every time. Amplifies your engagement. Artificial intelligence bots engage your prospects with real-time conversation, personalization and fun, building trust, rapport and treating each and every one of your visitors like a person and not just a statistic. Surges your sales. Artificial intelligence bots grab your prospects' attention, keep them focused on the prize, and don't let go until you make the sale. Every time. Boosts your ROI. 10x the power of your traffic with engagement boosting bots that make sure that your traffic is never wasted and visitors never leave your page without giving you what you want. Set and forget. You create your bots exactly how you want them. Then set them to go and allow them to do the hard work without you ever having to lift a finger again. Cloud-based. Build your bots online, in-app, with absolutely nothing to download ever. Fast, easy, and fun. To build, use our template-driven builder with drag-and-drop ease to build attention-grabbing perfect bots in just minutes. No coding experience or technical knowledge needed. 100% newbie-friendly. Unlimited everything. Create or customize as many artificial intelligence bots as you like for yourself and paying clients with no limits. Realistic, personal automation. Next generation artificial intelligence interacts with your customers in real time, as if they were real people. Your customers never have to know you're not really there. Once you've created your bots, you never have to lift another finger ever. Never been seen in our market before technology. Using our app, users can create in-page bots, chat bots, modal bots and video bots that cannot be found on any other softwares in the market. Our closest competitors charge over $797 per month for the same kind of service. Integrates seamlessly with the most powerful platforms online, including WordPress, Shopify, PrestaShop, BigCommerce and AmeriCommerce. The top autoresponders, including GetResponse, MailChimp, SendLane, ActiveCampaign, Market Hero and more. Plus with Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel. Really easy and profitable. To sell on with your included commercial license, make big bucks by making artificial intelligence bots for other people and cash in on their need with a quality solution. And keep 100% of the profits. What others say about Botengage? You will be able to quickly and easily create artificial intelligence boosting, in-page bots, chatbots, modal bots, video bots and more. In-page bots. What makes in-page bots so powerful? In-page bots are like secret ninja on your page, just waiting to grab new leads as faster than a crouching tiger. In-page bots blend in as a natural part of your website content and efficiently convert visitors into leads as they fit seamlessly into the content flow and don't interrupt or annoy the user. In-page bots ask your visitors the right questions at exactly the right time to convert them, every time. Chatbots. What makes chatbots so powerful? Just like a chat with your favorite buddy, chatbots are fast, easy and fun. Attention spans of our prospects are shorter than ever and chatbots are the perfect buddy your prospect needs to meet their needs, and convert them quickly. Chatbots engage even the busiest and most impatient of prospects, giving them the answers they need fast and stopping them drifting away without giving you a sale. Modal bots. What makes modal bots so powerful? Humans love interactivity. We can't resist it. And with modal bits, visits can't help but engage with what you have to offer. They take your prospects from passive to active, without them even realizing it's happening to them. It's a bit like being hypnotized. They can't help but become more actively involved with your content and take action, and half the time they won't even realize why. It was ModalBot all along. Boost your interactivity with ModalBits and your conversions boost automatically. Video bots. Why is video bots so powerful? We all know video is one of the most engagement-boosting mediums online. Capture those visually stimulated visitors with video bots. Botengage empowers you to build choice-based interactive video experiences in just minutes with our simple drag and drop tool. Connect your videos, link out to additional content, add call to actions, captions, and so much more, all without having to write a single row of code. Marketers are consistently making more profits than ever before using Botengage. And it literally couldn't be easier to use. Name your bots and choose your avatar perfect, choose your background and customize your appearance with just a point-and-click build, your engagement-boosting automated interactions with drag-and-drop ease. Share to the masses with just one click. Via social. On your sites. Or via email. Sit back and allow your engagement-boosting bots to bring you in more sales, more conversions, more profits. See for yourself how easy it is to create awesome engagement bots like those featured on this page. All bots on this page were made with Botengage in a matter of minutes and just a few clicks. Marketing is changing. And you're right here at the right time to jump on board these dollar winds of change. It's time to start treating customers like people, not statistics. Why? Because it will pay dividends on your sales and profits. Customer behavior is changing. Customers are getting wise. They're zoning out from traditional marketing techniques. It's never been more important to engage your visitors. They need something to spark their interest, to catch their eye, to make them engage. Bots built by Botengage are all this. In abundance. Botengage is built by marketers for marketers. By making sure that your visitors get exactly what they came to your website for, giving them a more personalized experience, you will make more sales. Botengage is the future of marketing. And the future is already here. Customers are, rightfully, demanding more from their online experiences. Stopping your prospects jumping right into the more engaged arms of your competitors. Retail changed a long time ago. Now it's time for you to improve your online selling results. A long time ago, customers demanded more from their buying experience. The retail industry responded and changed the world of the sales experience forever. Online is changing in exactly the same way. Botengage is responding to customers demanding more from their online experience. The better way to market online. In retail they wear name badges. By Botengage allowing you to add your name badge on your engagement bots, you are wearing your virtual name badge with pride. This encourages trust and rapport from the visitor. And we all know that customers who like and trust a vendor are more likely to buy. There are people there to greet you. In fact, a friendly greeting and that personal welcome makes such a difference to the customer experience and the likelihood of getting a sale, that huge corporations like Disney and Walmart employ people just to do this job. So when you add an engagement bot to your page, you're doing the same job as your friendly local greeter, lowering your customers' defenses, breaking the ice and warming them up for a sale. The first thing a good retail assistant asks is, "How may I help you?" We all know that the best way to start a sale is to find out exactly what a potential customer wants. In fact, it has the power to instantly turn a passive visitor into an engaged paying customer. The minute you pay a passive visitor some personal attention, you'll find they're hooked. Treated like a person, not a commodity, they will be much more likely to buy. Botengage allows you to ask those all-important questions to get your sale every time. When customers ask questions, they sell themselves on what you have to sell. The only thing is, you need to be there to answer them. With Botengage, you don't have to be there to answer them. Botengage does it all for you. Every time. Personalization, your name. When the Starbucks employee calls your name, it's all designed to make you feel that little bit special. It's all about giving you that personal experience. Making you feel like a human, not just a commodity or a statistic. The only difference is in a store, you can personally greet every customer. Online, you can't greet every customer yourself. You need Botengage to do that for you. Firstly, you have to know your visitors are there. And to do that, you have to grab their attention and make them announce themselves to you. Botengage does that. And secondly, there's no way you could physically greet all of your visitors. You could have 10, 200, 3,000 visitors accessing your site all at once. The only way to make sure you greet every single one of these customers personally, engage the heck out of them and close the sale every time, is to use Botengage. Get instant access to Botengage now. And the best bit is that your customers never have to know you're not really there. Botengage looks and acts like a real person. It's like having an entire workforce behind you. But you only have to pay them once and they'll work for you forever. So your customers get a fully personal experience. Building trust, rapport, and keeping your prospect focused on the prize. Boosting your engagement, sales, and profits. And you never have to lift a finger, turning passive visitors into engaged paying buyers every time with unlimited chatbots and awesome automations. All ready to use. Straight out of the box. Building your engagement bots is fun, creative, fast, and best of all, makes massive differences to your sales and customer satisfaction. Building your bots is as easy as counting to 5. And here's the kicker, Botengage doesn't just make you money by improving your results. It also gives you a whole new proven profitable business to add to your bottom line. With your included, unlimited commercial license. This is your opportunity. Whether they're a shop, bar, real estate broker, small, medium or large business. No matter the scale, no matter the niche. Businesses that now fail to include engagement boosting, sales surging engagement bots in their internet marketing strategies will do so at their peril. And will get left behind by their competition. So when everyone else sees the results that Botengage gives them, and has given you, they'll be instantly sold on you creating a bot for them. And paying you $$ for the privilege. With your included unlimited everything commercial license, you are giving yourself a license to print money. Because you're getting yourself a license to create and sell unlimited bots, and keep 100% of the profits.